Hello students, today our topic is transformations. Transformations, very important topic. Transformations. Before going into solving the questions, let us have an analysis about how much important this topic is. So this, first of all, this appears both in paper 1 and paper 2, so very important as this appears in both papers. And yes, 4024, this is the code of the paper. So in paper 1, no calculator, and in paper 2 need calculator. Yes, that is another important point. And marks proportion, yes, this is of 8 marks, very important. 8 marks are huge portion of marks, which makes up about 4% of total marks. So we should be very careful about this topic. So this is the importance of transformations. Now let us have some do some important questions on transformation. And if prepared from basic concepts, clearing your basic concepts to some advanced questions and having a handful practice on this topic, you can have maximum marks in this paper. Now let us start. Draw the image of shape A after a translation by the vector in column form 2 minus 3. In my earlier videos I have given very important lessons on the topic of vector, so you can watch them if you have any confusion regarding this topic of vector. So the question is to translate the shape B by vector 2 minus 3 in column form. Yes, so here is the shape A. Here is the shape A, and shape A has coordinate 1 1. This, let's say this point has coordinates 1 1, and we have to translate this by vector 2 minus 3. This is x axis x coordinate, this is y axis y coordinate. So we move, and in the positive direction, 2 is x axis in the right side or in the positive direction. So we move this point 2 units to the rightward. 1 2, and this minus 3 indicates y-axis in the downward direction in the negative axis. 2 units towards the right x-axis, 1 2, and 3 units downward, 1 2 3. So this is over here translated, and this point similarly likewise 1 2 2 unit here and 2 unit downward, 3 unit downward, 1 2 3. This point comes over here, and this point over here 1 2 right towards the right, and 3 downward because there is a negative sign, 1 2 3. So here it is. So we have done translation by vector 2 minus 3, and this is shape A prime, A dash or A prime. So this is translation. This is how we do translation in the topic of transformations. And yes, what we do in transformations: translation, reflection, rotation, and enlargement. All topics are very interesting and very important. Enlargement, yes. In the next video we will do some advanced questions on the topic of transformations.